Hi everybody, this is a tutorial for laundry. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and the introduction we cycle between two chords. We have a C major chord, which is really a C add 9, which is 3 on the A, 2 on the D, 0 on the G, 3 on the B and E. Now what we are doing for this song is counting in groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the introduction, which has a kind of string introduction, whether it's a fiddle or a violin, what we're going to do is basically have 6 bars worth of C. 1, 2, 3. That will be 1 bar. And each bar will have down, down, up, down, up. Like that, nice and light. And then when you get to the G chord for the last 2 bars of the introduction, we take those 2 fingers, move them up a string, if I can get my words out, and we keep those 2 fingers exactly where they are. So 6 bars of C and 2 bars of this G chord. So that's the introduction. We then get to the first verse. That's when Emily actually starts to sing, and we have a new set of chords to play. And it's worth mentioning, if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which has the full structure and all the chords within that structure, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric match together. Over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 900 songs of all the latest releases. So feel free to check that out. However, let's delve in with that first verse, which alternates between C and G 3 times like this. That's once. There's the second time. There's the third time. We then go to a D major chord, which is an open D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, 2 on the high E. But what happens is, we play that for a bar, and then we add, at the end of the first bar, our little finger to fret 3 on the high E string. That turns the D into a D sus4 chord, and then we release it just after. And that gets you to the end of the first verse. We then immediately get the second verse, which has a little bit of a difference. We do start off with the C to G, but then we have an A minor 7, which is an open A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We play that for a bar, then move this finger up a string, keep this guy where it is, and you could call that a C/B, before it goes back to C, G, and then the D chord. Now that second verse has quite a few differences going on there, which is why I wrote out everything and put it on Patreon. However, let me just play through that so you can see what it all sounds like. So the second verse goes from C to G, A minor 7, C/B, C to G, and D. At this point we get to the chorus, and the chorus is taking a lot of the chords that we've already played and makes it into a long section. So I'm going to play through it all while I shout out the chords. C. That's 4 bars there. And G for 4 bars. We then have D for 2 bars, C for 4 bars, and G for 2 bars. At this point, we do start to get a bit of repetition. Looking up to the notes, there is a third verse and fourth verse, which is exactly like the first and second verse that we played earlier, so we'll skip past that. In fact, there's then a chorus, which is the same as the first chorus, so we're getting lots of copying and pasting going on with this song. We then get to a bridge, where there is a difference, and as well as a new chord, we have C major for 2 bars, to B minor for 2 bars, which is a barred finger built from fret 2 on the A string, 4, 4 on the D and G, 3 on the B, then the barred finger picks up fret 2. So 2 bars of C, 2 bars of B minor, then we have the A minor 7 for 2 bars, then D major, there'll be 2 bars of normal strumming, and then let it ring out for a 3rd bar. At this point, we're getting to the end of the song, which is the chorus, but this chorus does have a little bit of a difference. It's quite long and introduces some of the other chords we've played, so I'll break it down. So we start off with C for 4 bars, G for 2, then E minor, then it goes to D major, to C. But then we continue, C to G, then G, again, 2 bars of D, A minor 7, up to C, and then 1 strum of G. Now that is a complete random mix of chords, and yeah, it just jumps around between lots of different shapes, including E minor, which is a new chord, which is an open E, 2, 2 on the A and D, and then 0 on the remaining. Again, that's why I thought I'd write it out on Patreon. Saves you from trying to memorize it. Saves it from me trying to memorize it. I can just put it in front of me and play it. So yeah, if you want to get it, head on over to Patreon. And if you play all of that, you get yourself to the end of the song. So I want to say a big thank you for watching the video, and also the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support. There's over 115 of us at the moment, which is brilliant, and they'll get access to 900 plus songs of all the latest releases. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.